The slimmed-down jury pool hearing testimony from women with criminal histories who the state says Mark Johnson messaged for sexual favors for multiple years, something the state says should not be done by someone who serves as a county prosecutor. An action-packed second day of former Houston County Prosecutor Johnson's trial. Two male jurors being excused from the jury box, one showing his frustration during the trial, exclaiming if a witness could just answer the question and get on with it, then telling the judge that he can't be fair or impartial in this case because of a personal hardship. The other juror learning that he actually was really good friends with the brother of one of the witnesses, saying he couldn't be impartial or fair if that witness takes a stand. Leaving a jury consisting of 7 men and 6 women. Johnson asking for a mistrial, the judge denying the motion twice. Taking the stand, multiple women, 3 of which with criminal drug histories, who were messaged through Facebook or through phone number by Johnson. One woman who Johnson prosecuted exchanging numbers with him thinking it was court-related because she was a victim of an attempted robbery. But she says that turned into flirtatious conversations, and she even sent him pictures of herself clothed but from risque angles. The two meeting a couple of times where they would hug and on one instance kiss, discussing the possibility of Johnson helping her with thousands of dollars worth of court fines. Johnson saying he didn't do away with the fines or reduce it. But the state says he did talk to the judge about throwing out a warrant against her and giving her community service. Another lady telling the jury that she was messaged by Johnson about setting him up with a quote-unquote girl on multiple occasions, which included an escort, who Johnson saw twice, but the two did not have sex. The lady telling the jury that she was just trying to make Johnson happy because she knew he could have sent her to prison. Johnson saying he didn't help the witness with her criminal charges. The other set up a woman who had just gotten out of prison on drug charges and was looking for a way not to go to rehab in Birmingham and instead serve time at a rehab in Dothan where she could be with her family, where actually she just wanted to continue using drugs. She began talking to Johnson through Facebook, where the conversations were flirty, including a revealing picture of her to him. Johnson in the message saying he loved the picture and wanted more, and they should meet. However, they never did. The witness saying that Johnson worked his magic, a judge telling her to serve her time in community corrections, allowing her to stay in Dothan rather than go into rehab, saying that she couldn't have gotten this without Johnson. Johnson's team asking if he ever said that they should meet up and have sex. She answered no, while also confirming that the only thing he did for her was write a note to her prosecutor recommending the woman go to community corrections and not rehab. Johnson's case concluded yesterday with the jury hearing from the head FBI investigator in the case, and it will pick up this morning at 8:30, where the jury is likely to hear about what happened on one day in February of 2022, a day where Johnson's case came under the spotlight. We're in Dothan. Aaron Dixon, WDHN News for the Wiregrass.